Welcome back to the channel, guys. OJ Marketing. Now, if you're actually looking for a way to make money online, maybe you do have a website or a blog space and you want to just simply monetize that to make more money online, you can do that right now with the strategy and the platform I'm about to reveal to you right now. And that platform is actually called the Hilltopads.com. Now, with this platform, guys, you can actually monetize your blog space and website, like I said, and you can make big money from your website right now. As you can see, this is a platform to monetize your website traffic with the best converting offers, and you can easily get high eCPMs. Now, you can sign up either as a publisher or as an advertiser. Now, if I actually do keep on scrolling through, you can actually do see much more details about the platform, including the ad network and features. Now, you can see that you could gain access to CPA per request, that is for high CPMs, traffic from direct publishers, advanced targeting, no blocked impressions, real-time details, eCPM real-time optimization, self-service for advertisers, qualified support, custom solutions for valued partners, own ad server solution, and ad network rotation for publishers, and no financial transaction fees. How amazing can that actually be? Now, you can sign up, guys, as an advertiser or as a publisher right now. As you can see, for the publisher account, that's where you're actually going to monetizing your website. As you can monetize up to 30% more effective than ever before. You can easily get paid weekly via Bitcoin, ePay service, Paxson, PayPal, USDT, web money, or wire transfer. You can monetize your web and mobile traffic. All niches are actually welcome, and you can actually go on to getting access to clean ads only, meaning that you're not just simply going to go on to spoiling your reputation of your platform by promoting or getting erotic ads and some kinds of ads that are not actually kind of okay. You're only going to be getting clean ads. Now, if you want to just simply sign up as an advertiser, you can advertise your brands and get high quality, unique traffic covering all GEOs. You can get deeper targeting than in other networks, your own ad server and RTB solution, and all traffic scanned and verified. Now, you can actually do see some of the ad formats available on the platform. To gain access to that, click on ad format. You'll be brought to this page, and you can see that Hilltop Ad constantly updates ad format inventory while following the new trends in digital advertising. That's absolutely cool, as they actually offer several high converting advertising units that comply with the latest better ads policy and act as a perfect AdSense alternative. Now, some of the ad formats available on the platform are actually the push notification, video ads, pops, direct links, and the display banners. And if you scroll through, you can see much more details about each and every one of them right here. And the pops actually include the pop under and the pop up ads. Now, you can just simply go to checking out the publisher section, where you're going to just simply see much more details about the publisher account right now on this platform. As you can see, they provide you with top CPM rates right here. As you can see, we accept websites from all GEOs. You can download, get e-entertainment, fun, e-commerce, dating, and these are actually all niches you can actually gain access from. And these are actually great reasons to join the Hilltop Ads platform. Now, you can see that there are actually ways which you can start. You need to sign up for free, add your site and choose an ad format, maybe the pop under, in page, vast, and paid, and you can actually go on to adding the code to your site and start making money just by utilizing these 3 steps right now. That's absolutely quite cool. Join as a publisher right here today, of which if you click on that, you'll be brought to this page, and you can just simply select the publisher option, go on to inserting your name, your email address, your password, and just simply agree to the terms of conditions and sign up for an account right now. You could even go on to checking out the advertiser section of an account right now in this particular page. And if you check out the advertiser section, you can see that they actually sell the best WW traffic, mainstream, and a lot more cool stuff right there. So you can easily start a campaign to promote something right here. As you can see, the audience targeting, you can actually gain access to the countries as city, device type, language, OS browser. These are actually stuff that you can utilize to narrow down the traffic which you want to gain access to. And these are actually top traffic GEOs with the best rate right here. As you can see, the rates and also the GEOs. Now, scrolling through, you can see much more cool and amazing details of the platform right now. Now, if you successfully do sign up to the platform like I showed you right here, you're going to be brought onto a page right now that you can just simply click on add site to go on to adding your site, just like how we actually saw in this particular section right here, where you just need to sign up for free and it's easy. You need to go into adding your site and actually choose an ad format. Maybe you want to use the pop under, the in-page, the video ads, and other ad formats available. You can actually do that right here. Just simply select the ad site right here. Inside your site, you want to just simply select the category. Maybe it's a mainstream or non-mainstream, select that and just simply click on add site to go on to the next phase, like as you actually did see right now in this section, to promote or monetize your website. So that's absolutely quite cool right now. Why not just simply leverage this? As far as you are actually getting a lot of cool and amazing traffic to your website, you can actually make a lot of cool and amazing cash right now with this platform. So leverage this right here today and make some cool cash. Now if you're looking for other ways to make money online, you can check out my channel OJ Marketing, because I regularly create videos on cool ways to make money online. And if you like such kind of content, you can scroll through the channel, check out the videos on the channel. They are all cool and amazing. You could also hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all to always get alerted whenever I do release more cool videos to help you boost your income online. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.